So hello guys, welcome to day 24 and congratulations, you are going to complete your sixth flatline, that is day 30, and I congratulate and I'm very proud of you, and you are just participating so much, and there is a Jill, and I can see the love to transform. So just keep in the way and keep hustling and never forget like auto suggestion and golden rule. So it will like give you the great experience and going to be a very big thing for these 30 days. So if you have missed any video or anything, so you can just watch all the discontinued the thing. So it's like a series, there is a 30-day series, so each day is connected with the previous day. So we have to keep in mind. So today we are going to discuss a very crucial topic about the internet, how you are addicted. Means sometimes you realize you are don't want to do the things, but situation happens, the internet like behaving, they are trapping you. It's like fishing, so I called it a fishing. So everywhere just now the people, the market, the company, like now everywhere just how we fish. Means there is a hook, there is a string, there is a stick, and then we make some tasty thing that is called, you can say, the catalyst of taste. And so they are just hooking you, they're making you to addicted so that they can make the revenue, they can make the profit. So you have to understand the thing, you have to utilize, you have to use the internet, not you have to be in the internet or indulge into the internet. So you have to use wisely. If you're not using wisely, then you are going to be in crap. Like now it's very worst thing you are getting to face, even for like a small thing to big thing, like from running or no, like posting a post on Instagram to like TikTok and any kind of thing. If you are getting the things, if you are utilizing the thing for your business, your career, your growth, your name, fame, then it's okay. You have to use, means the tool, as a tool you can use. Definitely you have to tool to generate some income or generate some name, fame, or any kind of value addition. So that you have to focus in mind. And if you, apart from that, you are just as a consumer, you are consuming the stuff, so it's like totally a trap and totally a worst thing. So you have to understand these things, and you have to like take care of you these things. You have to use the internet, use the tool wisely, so that you can get benefit, not other will get benefited and you are just trapped. So it's like a huge industry behind this ads, this like no, the psychology and the things. And there is a big company who are able to leverage $1 trillion to keep you addicted. Means they are spending a lot of money over the ads, over the market, over the psychology to get exactly they, when they just consider your dopamine change, your hormonal change, your means any kind of thing, your location, gender, all the things. And according to the survey, according to the like the data analysis, they just make the product or they modify the product so you can just love that product. So you have to understand these things. So as we all know, we are just around the media, so we heavily influenced with our media, our lifestyle affected by the media and all the surroundings. So pure psychology and mind game. So this is a totally a psychological based. There is a very good book called Hooked. So you just read once and you will get to know how the big company, how they are like now like making the things like that. You are in engaged, or you are just, if you buy one thing, then you can buy another thing of same company. Like no, it's like hooking up. There is a recurring customer. So high speed internet, obviously for high internet, everything is like at the doorstep or in our hand. So you have to, this is also a possible cause of these kind of things. So have you noticed like every cell phone company are so much focused on face recognition or fast unlock. Means we also give the priority which phone has the fast unlock, means which phone unlocking so fast. So why it is? Because of the instant gratification. You have to understand. So when the phone you like when you get a WhatsApp notification and you just see there is a notification of your WhatsApp and you just watch over the internet, just rush, you just ran to unlock and see that notification. If there is a gap, and if there is a, like your phone is like running too slow, or your display is opening too late, so how you will just get the lose the momentum, and you are just discard you also. If there is a gap between your decision making, then you can see or the thing, right thing, that is the delayed gratification will come into the picture, and you just ignore that thing and you will not going to use. So there is a huge loss for them, isn't it? So this is the behavior, or this is the psychology they use. So as we know, there is a very good stuff, and because of the internet, our technology and all the things like boomed this much. So you have to use this wisely. Otherwise, whenever you are going to, so everywhere like a dump across all the platform, everywhere just you can say the thing which is not at all productive or not doing any kind of value addition in your life or any environment, or making a good intention or things so that they can like grow. If someone is giant, then they will try to keep gianting so that other will not evolve, or just they are hooked up or addicted to their product. So you have to keep in mind. So cookies and malware is the like biggest thing, how they are making, or the things which they want to show. So you will see any kind of website, any kind of things which they are showing to you with the help of your psychology and all the market research. So this is also leading a very crucial factor. So it's like a 360 advertisement. If you are opening your Facebook, any, or even Instagram, your browser, even some app, so you will get to know same product. Like if you search a t-shirt on Mintra, then everywhere you are like na seeing same type of t-shirt. So what you are at the end of you just going to buy that. So you have to keep understand as well, like the if you search a particular video regarding some na you just love it na that kind of video pornography related, so everywhere now na just keep throwing. So if you are just heated by them, then definitely you are going to land the page, and then finally you just out of the track. So this is why, because of the awareness or tabuness, means there is no awareness among the youth or among the people. So no one is like telling you ki what is the exactly way to use this internet and what to the things and why it is not like na that much important or not appreciable. So like the tabuness, if we are into the situation or like in the addiction, then we also don't open up na, it's like the guilt or shame, so we just into the swamp or loop and na, just not accepting. So that's why I'm saying public disclosure is very crucial, very essential. So take the challenge and just be in the our 30-day bootcamp. So again and again we are going to planning to start every month or in 2 month 3 month a 30-day bootcamp. So you join here and just join our telegram channel so that you can get a continuous support. So let's discuss about one by one. So here we are going to discuss three things: notification, ads, and recommendation. So recommendation means always based on the algorithm, so that will the small points. So what in notification? So it's like the reminder. No, it is the like some candy, so that will the candy by which you just elude and get into the trap. So now there is a totally a strategy behind the notification, or no, it's a totally a psychology. Like you are not like some company, or if you are about to attend some webinar, so they will send 3 hours to left, 2 hours to left, 15 minutes to left, 1 minute to left, 1 minute just we have started join. Means like na they make you the urgency or this like creating the pressure. So making important before like there is a huge thing, so you will just land it over there. So if you have noticed, like there is also a color a scheme and a color psychology as well. So before all the notification came in blue tick or in blue color, so right now they all shifted to the red or some vibrant color, so that you just get into attracted and you feel yeah there is to be there you always try to give you the instant gratification. So what you can do, you can just enable grayscale mode. We have already discussed about like twilight or some black and white screen, so that can they reduce the light and they can just make a black and white, so that is not that much attractive, or you are not going to again doing the dead things. So they will just create false urgency as we have discussed. And we have already discussed magic mailbox, means they are saying full of like candy, like there is a Christmas gift. So you just rush to get out of the magic or get out of the gift. So you have to know, and you have to, that's why you have to be aware of how the internet works and how you have to use these things. You have to get the result, not you have to in the result. So the simple way what you can do, you just turn off all the notification. So you just go to your setting and turn off all the notification, important notification like the text message all already enabled automatically in the like phone system inbuilt. But apart from the Facebook, WhatsApp, any kind of app, or no, you just, so that will like give you a huge relief. So one thing you can do for any email or social media notification, you can just schedule some time, okay, in the morning, in the evening, or any kind of where you can just reply, or you can just look all the message, or you can install some app which track you how much time you are just spending, or no, how many times you have just opened that app or that browser. So that will also going to help you a lot. Or you can just fix, I will use only 10 times no the WhatsApp the whole day, so that will give you the same time, but now for each message you are just hooking up, so that is not going to worth at all. So you can just label the email, means if there is some Amazon email which is like showing their product or something, so is there any significant? No. So you just label to the junk and to delete mode. So you can just find out to YouTube how to label, or how can you just directly delete the email just it is coming to your mailbox. So that is going to be help a lot. So how you can do these things? So simply go to the setting and uninstall, or just swipe down to the mute. So again the thing is key, change Google privacy setting, means you can just go to the Google setting and change the privacy and security settings. So there you can you can just keep cleaning or your browser or cookies, or you are just allowed do not track your like location or your cookies, so that they are not going to make a malware. Or sometimes what happen, so whenever you are installing some browser or some app, so they will inbuilt a add malware or some malware which is already tracking your data by the third party, means whatever the trusted websites or trusted engine like Google or something, they are not going to do it, but some third party with any like you have installed some random app, so that will that have the like you can say the malware that will containing or like the stealing all the cookies which are like using by the third party and other party, which they use to show that kind of notification, that kind of pop-up of ads. So just simply go to the setting and just do the this kind of setting like your cookies or site data or privacy setting or do not track. So you just see this image how you are just enjoying or not. So this is the some images I have taken from the Quora. So what do you understand these things? So there is so many platforms there is a huge like spreading that kind of content, explicitity or nudity or that, so that will make you into that mode, means our mind just get the trigger. If you get that thing, notice that thing through our five senses, and then just be So what do they use means there are so many anonymous posts over the Quora. They are just posting this kind of things like adult story or something like that, memes that is like nah, unproductive at all, and just they are getting into the trigger and then finally propel to the urge. So never search that kind of keyword associated to adultness. So keep in mind, never search or never just you have to no, close that window and there is a section of report. So you just report as a like unappropriate or like a adult content or something. So that will give you a, like a good thing. So that will next time you will get a, like a that a space you have follow up and the things you want to come into your feed section. So unfollow any kind of a space or no, the page which are like unproductive or memes or they are spreading that kind of thing. So you can just uninstall, use web version. So it's far better than in app. I just noticed they are like showing this kind of a stuff is more rather than web version. So check answer which Google suggests, means for any kind of question actually Quora is like question and answer type of platform. It's a social media where you can just put your question or you can answer as well. So there is a very good platform, but you have to use as we have always discussed. So if you required any answer, you just check in the Google or any search engine, and if that is suggesting about some answer on Quora, so you just take it on that thing. So if you are randomly checking, then obviously you landing to the that kind of content, and then thing is like out of control. So you just memes are the totally a scrap. You just never unfollow or never like open. So if you once you open, then again cookie will be stored, and again you are just showing that kind of uh, stuff. So again you see this is the some images from the Pinterest. I hope you get the message. So again there is also a that kind of messages or post as well. So Pinterest is like a huge website, you can say, or social media where you can share the pictures or associate with your business as well. So you have to use wisely, you have to use for yourself. So in this same the things, never like search keyword like that or anything of erotic or unproductive. You just unfollow that kind of the board or fill pin. So never follow any female fitness or something model or no which are promoting or you are getting that trigger or meme or any kind of board. So use for yourself for your benefit. See some images on Facebook I have just got here. So I hope you remember. So this is some reels or some screenshot I have taken through the Insta reel or Instagram. So what we have seen here also there is a huge like there is nothing at all like you can also promote if you are a model, then it's your job, but you are not getting benefited at all. So you have to take care of yourself and you have to take care of your mind. If you are feeding the things like that, then definitely you are going to do the things what we have trigger urge, and then finally PMO is happened, means there is no one can stop this because our mind is feeding on that way. So you have to keep away from there. So the same thing, never search any keyword related to that adultness, and follow everyone whoever is spreading this kind of stuff on erotic or unproductive, not helping in value, means you don't follow or no, just get away from or just report a spam or no like inappropriate whoever not adding the value, like you are saying there is no a good intent in that post or that feed. So you just unfollow or ignore female fitness or some models. So it's giving you the totally instant gratification. So you have to understand these things: instant gratification versus delayed gratification, cigarette and cancer. So I just sort of real. So you have to use wisely. If you are a creator, then definitely use. Otherwise you are using for the consuming or just instant gratification or for your sake of binge watching, then please stop it. So Insta explore button, also if you try to explore something, then first time you will get that kind of a stuff only. So you have to also take care of that things and other things as well, like TikTok shorts or MX we have just launched or Moj. So you just keep away from there, and if you are a creator, then use. Otherwise, and again say there is nothing wrong or right. So everything is good, but you have to use wisely for your business or for your like you are creator, then you can use. But if you are using for the just sake of the consumer, you are just consuming the things binge watching, then it is not at all recommended. So same thing, you just unfollow all the things and never search any kind of the keyword which are related to these things. Now coming to the next part of our this section, ads. So ad is how crucial or how they are impacting to our life. So the thing is now it's always based on the cookies and how what kind of things or people psychology or mind game only. So through the especially in the internet or this kind of platforms, so never search any keyword related to any adult thing, or never browse or never go to any pages. If you once go to the pages, and it will like going to show you again and again. So what you have to do, like they inbuilt adware with some browser, or if you have clicked some like phishing already link are there, so there are people created to get landed to that kind of pages. And if you clicked once, so they will get the cookies and always try to say show you that kind of image, that kind of the pop-up, that kind of the picture. So now you will finally landed to their website, whatever the intention of their. So cookies and browser we have discussed, you just keep cleaning and do the changes. So customize your ads as well, means we are just going to see some screenshots. So you customize your ad, how kind of your ad you want to, or you just unleash all the things which you don't want to use. Ad blocker, install some trusted any kind of thing you want to install, just install from some trusted like Play Store or somewhere. So last thing you can do, still you are getting that kind of the notification ads, so you just format your phone so that the malware can get out of your phone, and then you can press a start. So just go to the setting and no, do the, you can also parental control or ads section, and their ad section opt out ad personalization. So you just enable that thing, and you are going to be like very like beneficial to it, or not that kind of the very minimized to showing that kind of, or you can also like enable safe search as well. So recommendation, it's based on the like algorithm. If you search any kind of the video, that will show into the another related to video, or like just the higher instant gratification that is going to give you. So now you have to take care of the things, you have to keep deleting or use all kind of things. How can you save your data, or like the search, or it's better to never search that kind of keyword or that kind of anything which are going to show you. So that will be like the, we have already discussed, you have to install safe search, ad blocker, point blocker, and all the things, so that it's like a huge integrated system. Now it's not like a medicine, so once you take, then it's go away. So you have to keep in mind and all the things you have to use. So you can just change your privacy and security system a strict mode. And another one is just cyber squatting. Cyber squatting, what is the thing? So according to the Wikipedia, restricting trafficking in or use an internet domain name with bad faith intent to profit from the goodwill of a trademark belonging to someone. Means what it is, means if you have a website, so same website or like some like a duplicate or false website is there. So now if your website is already not exist but your business exists, so just make and they finally sell if you required, or now they get the traffic, and just like a they are doing the squatting type of things. So like there is some false website as well, like some no renowned website, YouTube, Facebook or something, in spite of just like a copy or clone website is there, so they can no get the traffic, or they can just minimize the things, and they can also get the revenue on the name of bigger firm or bigger websites. So there is also things are misspelled website, like you are searching something like Google, or you just make some spelling mistake, so that will already register the domain by this kind of activity, or the person or whoever doing this kind of things, cyber squatting, and they just landed to their intended page, means like some any adult content or somewhere, so they can get the traffic. So this is also happened. So you have to take care of the things, so you have to get the know, and you have to be like aware of all these things, and you just go through the Google and other YouTube, and you get the information more and more, how can you like avoid this kind of things. And it's also from the like very helpful from the perspective of cyber security and all the things. So understand the hook. So you have to understand these things, and what you have to do generally things. So just get the awareness all about the things. So any parent, elder, friend, teacher have to be responsibility to get the aware all their kids or younger or their student. So they are unnecessarily like how it happened, like it is also people are just explore the things and get into this, but so many times like the things are available over the internet, so that's why they are going to. So it's like awareness is like very must. So get aware all the your nearby, and always keep parent control if you have a kid or like a small or some younger brother and sister. So it will really going to help you, or keep tracking their whatever the activities they are using. Fresh start, change the email ID as we have discussed already. So what you have to do, either you have to, if you are still getting, then you just format your any kind of gadget or whatever you have. So keep in mind your data not to be loose, and you can just change the email ID, means with what email ID you are changing your running your YouTube, Facebook, and whatever, you just replace with new email ID. So now all the previous data history browser which were the stored by the third party, it is not going to be now accessible. So it's always on the basis of that email ID, whatever the email ID you have logged in. So that login in had the particular browser and that cookies and all the things. So according to that, and if you are logged in only through that email ID, then they will are going to be like get into the loop and showing that kind of stuff. Otherwise, if you have a new, so it is very less probability to get that kind of things. So again, grayscale mode. So you have to keep your all the laptop, Facebook, WhatsApp in the dark mode or in a grayscale mode. So that will not attracting the color and all the scheme. So in uninstall all unnecessary app website which are not authentic or safe. So any kind of which are going to give you the trigger, or some website you already know or familiar with the some porn or like some adult content or a story website. So you just uninstall. As we have discussed how Quora and some Pinterest, all the things are very good website to learn or to explore and get the things but they are like some are spreading data kind of things, and that are spreading so badly, and people are indulgent there, like trapping the people, and they're just diverting the whatever the motive. So you have to take care of all the things, and you can do the digital detox, means for 1 day 2 day. Now you just completely get off the all the gadget and all the mobile phones and this app and social media, and you just, so that will your mind will get the relax, and no, it's not only the mode of the instant gratification, so it will really going to help you. So last one thing you can do, so install any kind of like browser. If you are still not like able to avoid the things, still you just browse. Even I have already said you can close the window means incognito mode and all the things, but still installing the VPN and going to watch that kind of video. So install the root means install the your Chrome, and somewhere you can search. So you just install. It's not going to be like you just take a simple mobile phone, so it's not going to be like very bad. If you have essential thing, then you can just keep some particular WhatsApp and something, so that you can just do your business and get into your job. But if you not required, then you just cut off from there for few days, or till then you are not recovered. So you have to take the strong action. You have to take the a strong initiative or red challenge which we have discussed. So you just go to the setting and you use some this kind of parent separate parent control, and it will really going to help you. And keep in mind all these things which we have discussed, and I hope this is giving you a very overall outlook about the how internet and notification ads are the things are associated to each other and going to hook up you, and just propelling to bound and then giving you the trigger again and again. So you have to keep in mind, and you have to be wise to use these things. Use, again I'm saying, it's not like good or what I'm not saying, but it is about to use. If you are using for the best way or getting some value addition, then it's totally okay. Otherwise you have to stop it.